It's a certified 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, voice-activated climate controls, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,